So the most important thing to consider when deciding to repot your Anthurium is what potting mix are you going to use. I will put a link up to a video I did where I mixed up my potting media, which should go a long way to help you to mix up yours. You want to mix that is well draining, that has plenty of perlite in it, things to really augment the aeration of the mix. Because anthuriums love to have lots of air around their roots, and they like a nice fluffy loamy mix with plenty of perlite, bark. You can even put some pebbles in there. I know people who also mix in the what's it called? The things that you use in the balls you use in hydrocarbon. I can't think of the name now. I'll put it up on the screen. You want to really mix in things to really give you that aeration. Because we all know the quickest way to kill an anthurium is to plant it up into compacted water retentive media. The next thing to consider when deciding to repot your anthurium is the pot size. So as a general rule of thumb, you only want to go 1 or 2 sizes up in the pot size than the pot that your plant is currently in. If you overpot your plant, it can lead to issues like root rot, because there will be a lot of media in the pot which will hold on to too much moisture for a long period of time, which could kill off the roots of your plant. So usually I only go up 1 or 2 sizes with my pot size when I decide to repot my anthuriums. Then you have to decide between if you are going to use a plastic pot or a clay pot. So with the clay pot, what you have to consider is that clay has a tendency to wick away water from the growing media, because clay is a porous substance, so evaporation takes place through the sides of the pods. So you'll often find that plants in clay pots will dry out faster. And this of course makes clay an ideal candidate for plants that like to be on the dry side. So cacti and succulents, Hoyas, orchids, all plants that love to have drier roots. Whereas a plastic pot obviously does not have any evaporation through the sides of the pot. Repotting is important because in plants that are severely pot bound, you'll often see that the growth becomes stunted, and if you try to water your plant, you're likely to see the water run off the sides, because at a certain point the growing media almost becomes like cork. It almost repels moisture, which is not really good for your plant, and that's why repotting your anthurium at appropriate times is good and necessary for the ultimate health of your plant. So when you repot your plant, you want to take your plant out of its current container, place it in the middle of the hex pot, perhaps put some of the media at the bottom of the pot and place your plant on top, and then you want to fill in around the root ball of your plant with the new growing media, making sure to press out any air pockets. Then after you've filled up the pot, I always like to give my plants just a little bit of moisture to help settle the roots. And yeah, it's as quick as that. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video in my Anthurium FAQ Series. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to make sure that you don't miss any of the future videos in this series. Bye.